Speaking of wrapping up projects, we're going to try to get this thing on the road, or at least on the track. But it's got a long list of to-dos. And, these things sit around for a while. Yeah. So anytime we've got a project car that's definitely sitting, we're recommending our mouse blockers.
Stuff's great.
Yeah, because, those things will go in and eat stuff up. And we're already seeing some mouse droppings,
They suck, man.
evidence, right?
They suck.
They will tear your stuff up.
Yes.
You got two options, a 110 volt or a 12 volt, right? So this one hooks to your battery, and it won't kill your battery because if the voltage goes too far down, it'll shut off. It's great. Well, in this case, he uses a battery tender a lot. Okay. So he wants to do the 12 volt, so that means he doesn't have to do anything, just pull it in, pull it out. But if it's sitting for a while, he's putting the battery tender on it. These things are now the new Pro, the Pro X on the 12 volt. It'll work with any battery charger, EV, hybrid, good to go. You can just put your charger on it and know that that thing's going to stay on all the time.